believe it or not, we're going to see high pressure homing in on the scene. Not at the moment, we've got just the opposite, an area of low pressure that's bringing along some outbreaks of rain. But that moves out of the way, as you can see here, and then coming in from the west we have an area of high pressure. And although that meanders around from time to time, basically it stays over or close to the British Isles for the next, well, right into the end and beginning of next week even. The only problem is the winds may turn into a rather chilly northeasterly direction. Now here's today's weather front. You can see it curling around here down towards Land's End, and it's producing some outbreaks of rain, as you see on the radar, some fairly heavy bursts of rain through parts of Northern Ireland, the north of England and Wales. It's still bright and sunny in the southeast, and it's going to stay quite bright in the north of Scotland. Nothing more than the odd light shower, chiefly in the Northern Isles. But I think as far as the bright part of England is concerned, it will steadily cloud over during the afternoon. One or two spots of rain coming down towards the Midlands as well. But the most persistent rain, I think, is going to be across the more northern areas, up into southern Scotland and across in Northern Ireland. The cloud easing a little bit further northwards in Scotland as well. In the cloudier parts, especially the wet ones, fairly cool, 15 degrees at best, but in the brighter southeastern corner, a warm 21 degrees. During this evening and tonight, the cloud continues to ease down towards the south, bringing with it some lightish and patchy rain and drizzle, but the heaviest and most persistent rain strung out through the east of Northern Ireland, through northern parts of England and Wales, but easing a little bit further southwards during the course of the night. That's going to allow clearer conditions eventually to come into the far north of England and southern Scotland, and certainly clear further north, so that the temperature will dip down to a chilly 2 degrees like last night. A touch of ground frost in some of the glens. That weather front's going to take its time to clear away southwards during the course of tomorrow. So for England and Wales, the rain only slowly moving away, holding on in the southeast, brighter weather following long behind. Then we have the high pressure and the start of the spell of fine weather.